Hello friends, I have here 3 roots of the phlox, and the future color of the flowers are pink, white, and purple. Plant in full sun to partial shade, have fragrant blooms in the summer. Phlox are cold hardy plants and are easy to grow. They come back every year. To encourage more flowers or blooms, snip the tops of the plants when the blooms have withered or dried up. The bees, flies, hummingbirds, butterflies, and other pollinators are attracted to the phlox flowers. The root system is exquisite. Lots of growth going. I made holes in this container. The stem meets the roots is where the crown is, that area there. I'm supposed to plant it that way, but seeing the buds, I'm going to spread the roots and plant it that way. The soil level should be 1 inch above the ground. No, roots should be above the soil. The Orange Perfection phlox variety. The stem, buds, stem, bud. I'm growing them under the grow light. I planted them 3 days ago. I'm going to water them later. After 5 days of planting, the seedlings look healthy. Subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Take care.